Okay, we are going to cook maybe spaghetti. Okay, yeah, I know how to make a Italian spaghetti sauce, but not Filipino spaghetti sauce. Because you know the Filipino spaghetti sauce, they are sweet, not very sweet. But aside from that, the Filipino spaghetti is lighter. Yeah, because you know the Italian spaghetti is really heavy. If you eat less, you get full easily. With the Filipino spaghetti, you eat less and you want more. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, this is onion and garlic and butter because there is no oil. Yeah, no more oil. And this I'm boiling a water. I don't know what I am doing exactly. I have here minced beef and no minced pork and minced beef. Yeah. Oh, I changed my mind. I'm actually going to cook all of them now. Really? Oh no, because I'm going to make a longanisa. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not decided always. I have some of this extra garlic pasta, tomato sauce. Maybe sound like that. Yeah, sour. I'm going to put some sugar. This is my first time. It's alright. Yeah, it's cooked now. I'm going to put now the sausages. Hi Eli, good morning. Yeah, I prepared this spaghetti because it's your birthday. I know you are now 5 years old. Yeah. So this is like a Jollibee spaghetti. And that's it. Yeah, happy birthday Eli. Okay, yeah, so it's messy, but I'm lazy. I'm going to make a coffee. This is spaghetti sauce. I'm going to keep it in the freezer. This one is in the chiller. Maybe I'm going to eat tonight or maybe tomorrow. Yeah. And I will have this coffee again. I'm not going outside anymore. What time is it? Yeah, 3 o'clock. It's good outside. It's good to go bike outside, but I enjoying the things that I'm doing here. You can see that I'm designing a t-shirt crackling coming from the Asian shop. Yeah. And in here I have this Japanese one. Japanese soup. I'm actually going to put some of this. The crackling in here. Some hot water. Next time. And it's going to be a soup. Yeah. Good morning guys. We are going to have this as our breakfast. I'm still having my coffee inside the room. It is already 7:15. Yeah. And I have this. Oh, this one need to be put inside. You know, I have this to cover this one. Yeah, because we don't know. Sometimes there are some cockroach. Yeah, that's why we always need to cover this. Yeah, this also. Noodles. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Thinking love is forever, baby. The sun is rising. Yeah, we'll see you later. I don't know if we are going out again, but yesterday I didn't go out. Yeah, see you later. I'm now hungry. So I'm going to cook this, to reheat this spaghetti that I cooked yesterday. Oh, it is now raining. Yeah, raining, but the sun is rising. It's going to be rainy because, yeah, I saw in the weather forecast. Yeah, this is my see you later. Yeah, it's 15 minutes to 12 o'clock. Cold. And I'm preparing this chicken. It looks like watery, but it's butter and some soy sauce. Because I don't have oil. Empty oil. Yeah, that's why I'm frying it in the butter. And it is that I finally love you more. Or maybe you are thinking that this house is big. Yeah, this house is actually small. Because last time when Kuya Roel come here, he noticed, oh, it's not big. Yeah, this is small. If you've seen the SMDC unit, this is just a little bigger than that. You know, SMDC is N Development Corporation in the Philippines, the condominium maker. Yeah, this house is bigger than that. Same like before, we're going to use the oil, put in the rice, and actually scrape that.